SpaceX just got probably the biggest water balloons I've ever seen. So as you may or may not know, SpaceX wants to catch the Starship booster with like these chopstick legs on a huge tower. Pretty cool and crazy. Anyways, these giant balloons will be filled with water to do a weight simulation on the whole grabbing mechanism. I'm super stoked to see this thing launch and hopefully land successfully. Still waiting on the FAA approval though. Talking about launches though, we have Virgin Orbit getting ready for their first launch of the year. These launches are always unique because they launch a rocket from a flying plane, kind of like a giant missile. Really cool. Anyway, they'll be launching 3 different payloads for Spire Global, the DoD, and Sat Revolution. ULA is also getting ready for their first launch of the year with the Space Force. It'll launch on an Atlas V 511, or the Slider is what they call it. The James Webb Space Telescope is not the only new space telescope on the block. The Imaging X-ray Polarimeter Explorer, or the IXPE X-ray Observatory, is another space telescope, and it's going to be looking at some of the most highest energy objects in the universe. Super stoked for some more space telescopes. Also, there's been a few news outlets that are talking about Pluto being a planet again. What do you guys think? Do you think Pluto should be reinstated as a planet? I don't know. Lastly, today I'm going to talk about Masten. Remember, Masten are the experts with rocket-propelled self-landing vehicles. They've been doing it for a long time. They have a moon mission coming up next year. Their Xalene lunar lander will detect things on the moon such as lunar volatiles, evaluate radiation, and just get a better understanding of the moon before Artemis missions bring astronauts to the lunar surface. Super stoked for this mission, but they just announced this is not going to be their last lunar mission. They're building a new missions operation center. They're building like a new vehicle assembly and like payload integration center. And they're saying that with all of their plans and with their expertise with these self-landing vehicles, they could have another lunar lander ready just 6 months after their first one. So really stoked to see what these guys come up with. That's it. Bye.